It's such a nice day today. I love Sundays.
Me too. Sundays are my rest days. My routine is totally different today.
Oh, really? What's your daily routine like during the week?
On weekdays, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
That's early. What do you do after you wake up?
First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I do some light exercise.
That sounds healthy. Do you eat breakfast after that?
Yes, I usually eat toast with eggs or oats with fruit.
Nice. What time do you go to work?
I leave home around 8 o'clock a.m. My office starts at 9 o'clock a.m.
So, what do you do at work?
I reply to emails, attend meetings, and write reports. It's a lot sometimes.
Sounds busy. When do you take lunch?
Around 1 o'clock p.m., I usually eat with my coworkers.
And when do you finish work?
I leave the office by 5:30 or 6 o'clock p.m., then take the bus home.
What do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner, watch a little TV, and sometimes read a book.
And bedtime.
I try to sleep by 10:30 p.m. What about you, Marco?
My routine is a bit different. I wake up at 7 a.m., do yoga, then make black coffee.
Wow, yoga? Every day?
Yes, just 15 minutes. After that, I check emails and go to my classes. I'm a language teacher, you know.
Oh, right. What time do your classes start?
My first class starts at 9:30 a.m. I teach until 1 p.m., take lunch, and then have one more class at 3 p.m.
Sounds like a good schedule.
Yeah, after work, I go for a walk, relax, and eat dinner with my family.
Do you sleep early?
I try to, but I often sleep around 11:30 p.m.
I like how we both have different routines, but we still manage to talk every weekend.
That's true. And talking about your day is a great way to learn English.
Yes, I'm going to practice saying my routine in English every day.
Great idea. Thank you, Miranda. It was nice discussion.